Hello everyone, so here's a quick overview how to use Wunderlist. So Wunderlist on iPhone, it's super easy to do list app. So basically you just need to download it for free from App Store. That's how it looks like. Then when you have downloaded it, let's go into it. You will need to create an account. So I just created an account, free account, just with my email. There you have it, and then you will be redirected to your home screen. This is how it looks like, and here you just have like your to-do lists. You can change different namings. To create a new to-do list, you can just pick a plus button and then just click add. Ouch. Yes, so we'll just create new one. You can select list members, you can choose a folder and then click create. So after that you will have it here. After that you can just add to do. You can start it and you can just click add. That's basically it. You can add another one. You can sort alphabetically. You can also share it as well. So Wunderlist wants to access your contacts. Yeah. What else you can do? Obviously you can edit. If you click more, you can email list, print list, edit list. And then you can just mark is as complete. You can also start, and there you have it. And your start items will appear here in the top menu. So that's basically it. You can easily change background if you want to, something like that. You can change all settings here. You can clear file cache, restore deleted lists, and stuff like that. Yep, I think you can also sync your Wunderlist obviously in cloud, but I think you can add your Wunderlist also to Google Calendar and some other tools. Probably you will need to use something like Zapier or some third-party tools. So I don't know exactly how it works, but like for basic functionality, this is how it works like. Obviously, you can use it as a desktop app on Mac, on Windows, on iPhone, Android, and I think it's one of the best to-do list apps. So there you have it, guys. Hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.